Center. That's who we were just building this whole fucking event for. And yeah, that was a shit show today. Messy bikes. Oh, that ABS kicked in pretty nice. I did that on purpose. Whew.
How you been?
Good, brother. How about you?
Doing pretty good.
Nice to see you. Oh my god.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, brother?
Coming out, fam.
Yeah, hell
I
yeah.
just want to let everybody know. I don't know if y'all heard. Refreshments. Yeah, I see
That's
y'all.
where I'm going right now.
Right here.
Yeah, that dude's mask is sick, dude. So yeah, we got some bikes out here. We got some bikes. We got some bikey bikes out here in Arlington. There goes some homies. The dancing lured me in.
What's up?
The dancing lured me in.
I know. I'm trying to attract hoes like you.
What's up, man? Yeah, shit, worked all day. And I was like, I'm gonna go home. And then my homies was like, that's probably a stupid idea. And I was like, you're probably right. Fuck it. Let's not go home.
Yeah.
And then I just got here and he said refreshments. So that's why I was like walking. I heard refreshments. I was like, sign me up. I heard refreshments.
Yes. Refreshments.
Where are those?
3 coolers up over there by the DJ booth.
Oh, wait. Can you plug this in? I'm fucking go over here.
There you go.
Thank you. Bro, look at all this stuff, bro. They got
Hey, what's going on, y'all? So, we've been
I heard
for a
refreshments.
couple
I gotta
hours
find
trying
that.
to get the dyno up and running, so we've been having a little.
I heard there's refreshments. I heard there's refreshments, like drinks. Yeah. How much is the water? Do you take Apple Pay?
Yeah.
Alright.
Are you Avalanche?
No. No, I'm Snowflake.
You're Snowflake?
How much is the dogs? 10? I might be back for that.
We're right in front of that. You see that custom thing? We're right in front of it.
Alright, bet. Thank you. Alright, I gotta do a lappy lap. What's up?
Yeah. So,
How are you?
that's actually a pretty good idea.
What's up, baby?
On the dyno.
You on dyno your shit?
Am I going down on mine?
Was on the dyno?
And the bike
No.
that gets the most loudest.
Hell no. What's up, my boy? Chilling, bro. I just got off work.
What the fuck are you wearing?
I just got off work, bro. Leave me alone, bro. Yes, sir. I was like, bro, I'm not gonna be a pussy, bro. I'll show.
Oh, yeah, you thought about going home.
I don't think.
Yeah, you ain't said, damn, nigga, you turned a lobster on me.
Bro, where?
Bro, your neck.
And the 1,000.
Bro, I felt it on my way here, bro. Oh my god, bro. You see the tan line?
Yeah.
What I'll do
My
is-
pigmentally challenged friend.
That's what my friend at work said today. He was certified.
That's why I wore this today, because I was like,
Yeah, bro, I fucked up. I don't got my shiesty.
5 on the
Hey, where's your bike?
first come,
Bro, did you
first
mix
serve.
Kool-Aid with your hands?
10 bites, go.
Bro, look at his hands.
look at him.
Hey, you had the hot Cheetos? Bro.
I fucked her so good she got
Yeah, where's your bike?
started cooking. Rolling up big blunts out of town cooking. If you ain't gas 40 bands, then you bitch you wouldn't stop cooking.
What the P on me? Let me turn it off for you. I should have turned it on while you were fucking it. You want to hear it?
Yeah. Can I rev it?
Yeah. Don't go too crazy. Look in the neutral. Bro, you gotta memorize gears on this shit.
Damn, bro, that shit sounds way different than mine. Wait, all right, you rev it. I want to hear it from here. All right, I'm gonna upgrade from my R7 to my R6 now.
You gotta trade it in. Did you buy it outright or you still finance it?
I bought it outright.
Huh?
Outright.
Outright? Then
Yeah.
I would do that. Why not?
This is awesome, dude. Damn. And that came with the Akrapovic? That came with the exhaust?
Yeah.
That's a real one too.
No.
You can see it because it's shifting purple. So it's not no eBay shit. What's up, bro?
So, man, how you doing?
Good. Chilling.
Good.
Yeah, bro, that shit's hard.
It's a good project bike for sure.
I gotta take more of this.
Sounds really good. And I remember.
What's up, my boy?
Remember me, right?
Yes, sir. Alan, right?
Yeah.
What's up? Nice to see you. How you doing? How's the ride here?
Not bad.
I forget, one of your stories or one of your videos made me like fucking cheesing. I was like, that's like, it was like fire, bro. The turtle. Fuck. I don't know, bro. It was this week though.
Those are my pins.
I think it was the turtle maybe. Yeah, it was the turtle, yep.
Turtle one.
Yeah. GXR TJ. Yeah, I'm gonna finish looking at all these bikes. What's up, gangy? How are you?
You zoomed past me on the highway. I was like, that fucking bitch.
Wait, gapped you?
I was like, oh wait, I know him.
I have a black K1. I should start wearing that when I'm not wearing the gear. I should start wearing that.
Yeah.
How's your day? How was your everything? Ish?
Oh, 6 Flags.
What?
Yeah, this morning. And then took a fat ass nap, and now I'm here.
Gang violence. I thought you were gonna say when you said fat ass. I thought you were gonna say smoked a fat ass blunt.
What?
I thought you were gonna say you smoked a fat ass blunt.
No. I just knocked the fuck out.
Go inside. Have you gone inside yet?
There's an inside?
Yeah.
Whoop whoop. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, so this is the inside. This is where the cool kids are.
The only day that's open.
Fucking 1,000. What's up, my boy?
How you going?
Good, bro. Chilling. How about you? What up, Smurf? How you been, bro? Oh, we got the fucking H2. That's hard. Sorry, my bad, bro. Damn, bro. That SC project's hard. S1K going crazy. Damn, another H2. Purple. Oh, this shit is Smurf spike right here. Bro, I haven't seen this finished in person, up close. And this is probably the hardest bike I've fucking ever seen, bro. Those taillights are sick as fuck. Nah, bro. That shit is fucking stupid. The demon logo with the demon eyes. That shit.
Don't look at my bike too hard.
Bro, that shit looks so clean. This is the first time I've seen it in person, bro.
Avalanche.
Yeah.
We was on the highway together.
I know, but I didn't get to like look at it and appreciate the details,
The
bro.
horns, I'm like, that gotta be his ass.
That shit's fire, bro. Sorry, my bad.
Trick's got it pretty good. I'm Benny, by the way.
Benny, what's up? Oh shit, damn. Recovering well?
Huh?
Recovering well?
Much just road rash on this arm.
Damn.
This is on for another week, and then I'm free.
Yeah, let's go.
It'll be a while till I can get another bike, but other
Yeah.
than that, I know Smurf's letting me ride a 750
Yeah?
until then.
That's
I
dope.
don't want to lose my touch.
Yeah, bro. Fuck, dude. I bet you're just fucking happy like everything's good with you, though.
Yeah,
That's
bro,
like the most important part, bro.
At 90 miles an hour was really fucking scary.
Yeah, I could
A
imagine.
broken wrist from that was really nice.
That's all you broke?
Just broken wrist, just some road rash and shit. So
Damn. Yeah, this is like the first day I've like squidded. I always wear gear, but I'm like, I had to go to work today. I was like, I don't want to be covered in sweat, bro. I'm already sweaty. Like,
that's the thing. It was 102 that day.
yeah, it's hard. Now it's gonna be hot as fuck. Well, bro, I'm gonna do a lap. It's nice to see you, bro. I'm glad you're fucking alive. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. I can't wait to ride with you sometime, bro.
Of course, we'll have to ride whenever I get a bike.
Yes, sir. Hit me up. All right, we got the fucking BMW S1K. Dude, that dude's nice as fuck. He's chatted up with me. That was really cool, bro. That's really cool. This is a fucking nav, a Honda nav, Nabby. Looks like it. That shit's hard too. Damn, bro, they got the masked Messiah. Why does that sound familiar, bro? M4, all fucking whited out, Yamaha, D-badged. Those are some pretty cool headlights too. Gold chain. I want to get that gold chain. Oh, the Vegeta is hard too. Carry left. This yours? Bro, this is hard as fuck. Just geeking out about this. I like the chain too. Yeah, this shit's hard. Yeah. Mirror deletes too. Yeah. Hard as fuck. We got the Ducati. Look at this. That's cool. Hey Puddin. And then we got the S1K all golden Project SC. SC Project. Why do I always say Project SC? SC Project. The best exhaust. It's getting dark out there. I need trash. I need a trash.
What?
I need to throw this out.
Damn, bro.
You're the one that closed it. I need to throw this out.
Pop it. Trash right there, bro. How you not gonna pop it, bro?
Huh?
How you not gonna pop it?
I already did. And then I picked it up because I don't want to litter. I bet. Let's go. 2 more contenders. What's up, man? What's good, bro? How you doing? What's up? Fucking, look at all these fucking bikes, bro. Is that you?
That's me working.
This is Ruben? This is Ruben? No. That's
Somebody else.
yeah. Ruben's on an R7. What the fuck am I talking about? Ooh.
was talking about. This is why I need
Bro, how many are here? Did you count yet?
to... Bro, so far I counted 4.
There's more, I bet.
I know. Shut the fuck up. Dude, somewhat one of the guys.
Bro, why has everybody got that helmet, bro?
Because it's affordable, unfortunately.
Affordable and looks sick, but
Very lucrative.
bro, I'm scared, bro.
Why?
Cause I left my 360 on my bike and it's across the street.
I took...
And then I'm gonna bring my bike over here. Ew. I don't like the front of that, bro. I don't like the old R1s. I like the new ones that have the sleek lights.
Like, that's an R6 now, bro.
Yeah, I like those too. I love those sleek lights.
Take it on special and nigga pull up on the same bike.
You got a KO. And it's real, it's turning blue, it's not an eBay one.
Mine sounds better. I don't give a fuck. And it's tilted.
Ooh, look at those wheels. I'm going to get my bike, man. That's Bello. My boy Bello killing it. So we're gonna go do that. But alright, so what's up, chat? I forgot to, or no, my bad, I didn't forget anything. My phone died. I just forgot to get gas. I'm on empty. Alright, so let me get gas. Okay. So yeah, my camera died. My bad about that. So basically the meet was cool. Smurfs Garage Grand Opening. Please work. Oh my god, is my card turned off? Why is it not working? Alright, so yeah, the meet was dope. Got to meet a couple cool people, see a couple cool people, see some friends, and had a good time, man. So now we're gonna take a little ride home, and I guess that is the end of the vlog. I just wanted to be able to say goodbye to you guys. Yeah, man, we had a great day, and work was great. Time to go home, get some sleep, and edit some of these videos. So thumbnail, boom, perfect, right there. All right, cool. We'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys, I almost forgot to tell you guys, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment on the video. And I also got new features on Instagram, subscriptions. We have subscription broadcast channels and a bunch of other stuff. Oh my god, I wear short socks, why? Anyway, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.